Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. English translation of Surah Al-Adiyat is going to be presented here. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. وَالْعَادِيَاتِ دَبْحًا. By the steeds that run with panting, by the snorting runners. فَالْمُورِيَاتِ قَدْحًا. Striking sparks of fire by their hooves, which strike fire with their hoofs. فَالْمُغِيرَاتِ صُبْحًا. And scoring to the red at dawn, and which attack at dawn. Dawn is also a newspaper. Dawn means early in the morning. فَأَصَرْنَ بِهِ نَقْعًا. And raise the dust in cloud that while, and thereby rise dust. فَوَسَطْنَ بِهِ جَمًا. And penetrating forth as one into the midst of the foe, and split the gathering enemy. Innal insana lirabbihi lakanud. Verily man is ungrateful to his Lord. Surely man is ungrateful to his Lord. وَإِنَّهُ عَلَى ذَلِكَ لَشَهِيدٌ. And to that he bears witness. To this he himself shall bear witness. وَإِنَّهُ عَلَى ذَلِكَ لَشَهِيدٌ وَإِنَّهُ لِحُبِّ الْخَيْرِ لَشَدِيدٌ. And truly on account of his love of wealth is niggardly, and truly on account of his love to wealth is niggardly, and verily he is violent in the love of the wealth. أَفَلَا يَعْلَمُ إِذَا بُصِرَ مَا فِي الْقُبُورِ. Is he not aware that when those in the grave are raised, knows he not that when the contents of the graves are poured forth, وَحُصِّلَ مَا فِي الصُّدُورِ. And that which is in the breast is made known, and what in the breast is laid open. Inna rabbahum bihim yawma idhil khabir. Verily that day their Lord will be well acquainted with them. The Lord on that day will be knowing. Sadaqallahu Mawlana al-Azim. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said truth. Jazakallah khair. Shukran barakallah.